15 sad but true facts about girls that will make you cry. A girl feels sad when she misses her love, but she will feel 100 times more sadder when she comes to know that the opposite person is not missing her. Girls who laugh and talk a lot usually cry alone at night. If a girl loves to sleep a lot, she is probably sad. Girls are more likely to say I'm sorry because they are more likely to think they have done something wrong. Women who have more male than female friends are less likely to experience trauma, depression, and anxiety. I am okay, a girl's biggest lie. Every 90 seconds, one woman dies during pregnancy or childbirth. If a girl asks you to leave her alone, she needs you to at that time. If a girl is silent, she is hurting. When a girl is silent, she is either overthinking, tired of waiting, falling apart, crying inside, or all of the above. A girl, no matter how many times she denies it, will always remember every detail, every moment, every piece of the memories you have left her. If a girl becomes angry over silly things, it means she needs to be loved. Women cry on average 30 to 64 times a year. If a girl laughs too much, even at stupid things, she is lonely deep down inside. Women are twice as likely as men to be diagnosed with depression. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.